4 GMC truck, I think they call it Astro, and it's got a 400 big cam Cummins engine in it. And it was said that the engine has been overhauled. They spent $6,000 overhauling the engine, and never really run the truck hardly any after that. I personally drove it off the mountain from Hendersonville, North Carolina, down to South Carolina, probably about 45 miles. And truck done fine, ran out good. And I'm going to start it here in just a moment and let you see the exhaust. Okay, I just started the engine, and you can see it's running clean. The engine wasn't completely cold. I had cranked it about an hour ago. It run for about 15 minutes and shut it back down. And so it's been setting 45 minutes since it was last started. And you can hear the engine now. A little closer.